cracking, guys? Good morning. Today is Friday, July 22nd. Opening day of Jupiter's Claim at Universal Studios Hollywood. If you guys don't know, Jordan Peele just directed a brand new movie, Nope, and the studio tour is having one of the sets as part of the studio tour. So we're trying to get a little sneak peek action of what's going on right now. That's why I'm in the parking lot, where there's no cars apparently. This is kind of trippy. This is kind of perfect. We should probably go up one more. Where are we? Oh, the stairs right there. We're gonna see the movie later today. 4 p.m. Go through the studio tour and just see what's new. It's brand new for Universal Studios Hollywood. You got Halloween Horror Nights down the street, like right around the corner. It's pretty good for Universal right now. But without further ado, let's check this set out from the top of this parking lot. This is the brand new set on the studio tour, and here comes a tram right now. Oh man. Yeah. Look at that, guys. This is brand new. So there it is right there, guys. Jupiter's Claim. We got War of the Worlds set right here. And honestly, I can definitely see them using Jupiter's Claim as a scare zone for this year's Halloween Horror Nights. And if they don't take that opportunity, then I don't know what they're doing. But it's right next to the what would be the end of the Terror Tram, right over there. But right next door is the brand new Jupiter's Claim. This could be an excellent finale to the Terror Tram.
Probably could hop up right there and get to.
Oh, guys, look, there's a pig on the roof.
Yeah, what's that about? It's gotta be from the movie.
Why is there a pig on the roof? We gotta see the movie.
I don't know.
I really like the character of I really like the simple design. Look at that, man. Universal Studios at it again. Oh, there's a rooster. Let's go check it out, guys. Let's go actually on the ride. I want to see what that building right there is all about. The one that's all busted. Look at that. The crowds today are absolutely crazy. Summer crowds are here till the end of August. We are walking down these stairs for the studio tour. It's happening. It's happening. Have you seen Hollywood Harry?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yep, but he is back this year.
No, don't let him borrow the mic. Don't let him.
You're Michael? You're right there. I got if you're looking for yourself, go look in the mirror. Damn, like that?
He got you, man. What's up, bro? What's up? What's your name?
Derek.
Derek, shout out Derek. Watches the channel.
As
Halloween Horror Nights construction update.
That streamed HBO Max is a Universal television show. And now we're taking you into what we call Sitcom Alley. It's comprised of stages on your right. These stages on your right. I'm going to take you for a closer look at the Bates Mansion. You may notice something about the house as we approach. It seems to be diminishing or getting smaller. That's because the house was built at 3/4. As I said, uh-oh, he's looking at people dressed in red back there. And white. He's looking at people dressed in white too. There's that Bane taking the tour with us today. We're near the end of the tour. And annual pass holders, we'll see you again soon. If you're not an annual pass holder, such as the Jeffersons, the facts of on the front lot, dressed to look like a clip and enhanced with computer-generated imagery. Well, let's take a look at this scene from the Lost World Jurassic Park. At least we did. But wait, there's more. I regret nothing. Is everybody all right? You look thirsty. Nice food drink. The cage. Here comes the shark. Quit playing with the shark like that. Really? Well, that can't be good for you.
too hot.
And that. Woo, that's hot. That's Africa hot. I've heard that before.
Bruce! Oh, chill!
Take a look to your left. This whole area here is for Never Have I Ever. They are working on season 4. And they are filming in the quintessential suburban neighborhood known as Colonial Street, featured in classic television shows such as Leave It to Beaver, Marcus Welby MD, and looks like they're filming on this road here. It's very interesting because this was set up almost the same way for an episode of Desperate Housewives involving a big car accident. You're a big fan of the show Desperate Housewives. You remember that episode, that big car accident on a mountain road? This thing's got a lot of accidents filmed on it. This plateau on your right was featured in his new motion picture, Nope, to the tour. We're going to take you right through that set. It's called Jupiter's Claim. It is a major set featured in the motion picture. Some really weird things happen in the movie on this set. I can't tell you what it is. You got to see the movie. We're going to take you through the set. It's pretty amazing. Right now, you're in for a treat. We're going to take you duration coming up for you in production design. Universal has been fortunate to work with generation-defining directors like Alfred Hitchcock and Steven Spielberg. And now we're thrilled to partner with Academy Award winner Jordan Peele.
Yeah.
In just a moment, we'll be taking you to Jupiter's Claim, the actual sets from his new sci-fi thriller Nope, which stars Daniel Kaluuya, Keke Palmer, and Stephen Young.
Go watch it.
By the way, Nope is in theaters today.
Yep.
Alright guys, it's a brand new set at the studio tour. Let's check it out.
In Nope, Jupiter's Claim is a nostalgic small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Jute Park. Over there to your left, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie, Kid Sheriff, a movie within the movie. That's what the whole place is loosely based on. A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience, built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. Well, it's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, this Hollywood fantasy of Gold Rush frontier town lies a sinister secret. It is smack dab in the center of a UFO hotspot.
The Nope set was pretty cool. There's lots of lights and sounds. I have no idea what's going on. There was a lot of things that don't belong where they should be. We're gonna have to see the movie, see what that's all about, but I'm excited to see this movie. I still have no idea what's going on. Now we're gonna see the movie.
She wigs the mustache for you! Yes! And her shoulders!
Hey, tell that broad to find somebody else!
Come on! See, I cannot...
We're walking here! We're here for Nope.
Yeah, I'm upstairs.
We're here for Nope. Hey, what are they saying about the movie? It's good? Good.
The licking dip is on? That's kind of cool.
She got the licking dips on, bro. No.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ah! It's beginning.
Welcome to the world of Nope. Yeah, I think we're gonna take that advice and get out. Get it? I will say that is my first time driving through at night, and it's way creepier with all the lights at night than it is during the day.
That's gonna wrap things up here at an opening day for Universal Studios Hollywood. pretty cool event, pretty cool movie. I'm glad to see new stuff at the studio tour. If you guys like the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. I'm Dalen. I'll see you guys in the next one.